everyone, it's Maureen and welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? It has been a while since I sat down and filmed a video and I missed it. Today we are going to be doing this. I am so happy and excited to unbox 2 of the 4 cases that has been released by Apple recently for the spring collection. I have been waiting for a while for this one, so I am super excited to unbox and thoroughly show you guys what it looks like, what color it is, and everything. So without further ado, here is the unboxing of these cases. So I ordered these cases through Apple. If you guys are asking like, oh, where does she get her Apple cases? Is it like authentic iPhone cases from Apple? Yes, it is. I ordered them. All of my Apple cases is ordered through Apple. Wait, that's a lie. In the past, I have bought my Apple cases, whether it's leather or silicone, I buy them at Best Buy. But I'm sure that Best Buy sells an authentic Apple cases, so I don't worry about that. Usually I buy them at my local Best Buy when I'm impatient, get the iPhone case right away the next day or that day that I want to get it. But if it's newly released, I ordered it at Apple. One of you asked about that question, where I get my Apple cases, so yep, there you go. So I'm just cutting this one here with a sharp cutter, and here it is. I got 2 here. So I'm gonna start with the left side, and this one is going to be, oh my god, it's the lemon zest. Oh my gosh. I've observed that Apple likes the orangey tones and yellow tones. As you can see in the background, I guess there's 2 yellow cases. One is a leather case and the other one is a silicone case. So I'm gonna probably compare. So this is the lemon zest right there. It's so friggin' bright, and I'm so excited if it's super bright, the silicone case itself. So let's find out. Let's peel this arrow here. Let's see it. Wow, that's so bright. And in the box, I always forget that there is a paper there. It's just like, I don't know, just little tiny letters in the paper, but I don't think you need this because what we need is the silicone case. If you want to know the exact name of this yellow case or any iPhone cases from Apple, they have a name right here somewhere in the back. Oh my god, it's so soft. Silky soft. Some lettering there. I'm gonna use my magnifier here. 95014 USA. So it's just an address. And then in the back, just warranty and stuff. And here we go! The lemon zest, guys. So as usual, it feels great to the hands. And on the inside, there is a microfiber lining for an even more protection. And there is the MagSafe, that round thingy right there, yellow. Cute! So I made sure that I have the new software. I have the iOS 15.3.1. So just making sure I have it so that our animation will appear, because in the past I did not update my software and it didn't show the animation. So learning things from the past when I was filming. So, and then now, oh my god guys, this color, it's super pretty. Okay, let's put it on here. Before anything else, this wallpaper right here is from Apple. So it's just their built-in wallpapers on your settings if you're interested or if you are curious about it. Right there. Oh wow, what was that? My phone turned off. Oh, it restarted, guys. That was so weird. I saw that it was like pink on the screen and then, or fuchsia pink, and then when I pressed the buttons it didn't really glow like when you press it if it's on. But there's the Apple logo. It just, that was so weird. Maybe you're thinking right now, oh my gosh, she has a Sierra Blue and she bought a lemon zest. I like colorful stuff. I like different colors. I like seeing different colors around me. So with the Sierra Blue and with the lemon zest, my life is colorful. My life is a rainbow. So I guess it's your own preference. If you don't like to match your blue iPhone with different colors, then go for it. But for me, I actually embraced this color and loved matching it with different kinds of colors. Okay, there's no yellow thingy. What is going on? Maybe I need to restart my phone. Okay, I'm gonna restart it. Okay, I just finished restarting my phone, and let's put my new yellow or lemon zest silicone case on my Sierra Blue iPhone. No yellow. What is going on? I know it's not a big deal, but my phone case here is not showing a yellow animation. It's just showing a clear one. So I contacted the customer service of Apple, and they're trying to help me figure it out here. I don't know, I already have installed the new software for my iPhone, and I also have restarted this a couple of times. I've read in a forum to turn off the silent mode or turn off the disturb button, and I did that already and it didn't really help. See, it's not showing the ring. If it's showing the ring, it's just clear. So okay, there, they just replied. Apple is currently asking me if I bought the case on their website, so just making sure that it's not a duplicate, you know. So hopefully this problem will be solved. I mean, this is 49 bucks, guys. This is almost 50 bucks. The animation is one of the things that you will get for that price. So yeah, Apple is going crazy these days. Camera side is actually high, but as you can see, my camera protector is higher than the lip of this case. Definitely, if you don't have a camera protector, it will surely protect your camera from being scratched, especially when you're laying it flat on the surface. Our camera is really bulky. When you set it, if you observe, when you set it on a flat surface, it's kinda inclined a little bit. The lip on this one helps a lot. For sure, your camera, even if it doesn't have a camera protector, it will be protected. Okay, so the look of my Sierra Blue on this lemon zest is actually showing. Because we have a really bright silicone case here, our Sierra Blue is popping like it's hot. You can definitely see that it is the Sierra Blue. So Some of you doesn't like Sierra Blue because it cannot match different colored cases. But then again, in the beginning of this video, I said that I embraced the color of this iPhone and I didn't really care what color I slapped on this iPhone, on my iPhone, and it is my iPhone, so I can slap any color I want. And especially I like rainbow. I like to see different colors. I enjoy looking at this, though it doesn't really match blue and yellow. It's not really matching at all, but I like it. It's looking sexy to me. It looks really yellow. If you like yellow, guys, this is a perfect color for you. So let's talk about the buttons on the side. Oh my god, guys, this is the softest buttons I've ever touched in my life. I know there are other cases out there that has really soft buttons on their cases, but you guys, friggin' Apple makes really good buttons. They're super soft. As you can see, they just really click. There's the buttons. And the other side button. They're yellow too. The bottom is covered. It's super nice if you drop it, but don't drop it. Don't drop your phone. You will regret it. And the top also has a cover. I love this color. I'm going to show you guys the comparison between the sunflower case that was released July last year and this lemon zest spring this year or this month. As you can see, it is a deeper tone of yellow and it's actually kind of in the orange side, orangey yellowy color side, and then this is yellows. This next one is going to be the Meyer lemon. I think this is for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Lemon zest is a yellow. It is made from the outermost layer of a lemon. It has a bright yellow color and a strong flavor and fragrance. So it's actually super yellow. Makes sense here. This is Meyer lemon. This is actually the lemon itself, the outside color of a lemon. And this is the lemon zest. This is the color you will get when you grate the lemon. So that's how I describe the color of these cases. So hopefully that helps you guys. So I love this case. We'll definitely use this a lot this springtime or even in the summer. So this is the lemon zest. Next color is gonna be so exciting for me because it actually matches our Sierra Blue iPhone. So this case is called the Blue Fog. Fogs are like plain white or clear, or it's supposed to be white fog, but we have a blue fog here. Definitely the same color as our Sierra Blue. So I am so excited to unbox this. So let's get it on. Oh my god, are you guys excited? Here it is. Oh my gosh, that color. Oh wow. I like it. It's like baby blue. Look at this. So that's the inside, and again there is a magnet inside, magnet ring, or what we call the MagSafe. So I have not shown you guys the inside of our lemon zest, so I'm going to show you the inside of the Blue Fog. You guys see it? Okay, there you go. It's super soft, and even outside, silky soft to the touch. I am so excited to try the blue fog on my Sierra Blue, so let's do it. It's not showing the blue animation, but look at it. It's the same color as my Sierra Blue. Oh my god! It's so pretty, guys. So glad I picked this color with our lemon zest. I still like the lemon zest so much. The lemon zest will fit perfectly on the gold iPhone. And I have not showed you guys the front of our case here. Let me show you. Look at it. It's so high. I do not have a screen protector right now, which is bad. But looking at this screen right here, which is higher than the phone, so that is really awesome. And the camera. I love this color. My baby. To compare it with the cloud blue from last year, I guess this is from last year, yeah, 8 months ago. So yeah, this is the cloud blue. Let's see if they're kind of close. So actually, the blue fog is darker than the cloud blue. The cloud blue is in the lighter shade of blue, and this is in the darker shade of blue. Wow. Which I want to try this actually, the iPhone on the cloud blue, if it looks great. See, it's not going in properly because we got a bigger camera. It looks good also on our Sierra Blue. Blue fog is definitely the matching case for our Sierra Blue. Look at that. Just by looking at it, you wouldn't know how deep the color is, but if you compare it side by side, you will definitely see the difference. My top right now, it's darker, kind of greenish blue color. This looks really light, but with cloud blue, it's darker. From this and this, I love this color the most, which matches our Sierra Blue, but I also love this case because it's super bright and I love bright colors. So if you guys wanna grab or get this, definitely buy it straight from the Apple store, because if it's defective, you can just return it and have it replaced. Beautiful colors, look at that. Yellow and blue. I am for sure that Apple likes an orange tone. Definitely they love orange. So aside from the lemon zest and the blue fog, Apple also released 2 other colors, which is the eucalyptus and the nectarine. If you guys want me to unbox and show you guys these colors, just comment down below. I love these colors and I'm so glad that I bought this first. If you have any questions at all, just message me on Instagram or comment down below. But which one is your favorite? My favorite is the blue fog and also the lemon zest. So I like them both. This one matches really well on the Sierra Blue, so if you have a Sierra Blue, grab this blue fog. And if you have a gold iPhone or the white one, I guess, grab this. This fits perfectly on the white end, or especially with the gold one. That is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for joining me in unboxing these 2 new colors from Apple. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have a wonderful day and night, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!